Assalamu alaikum. It's your nomad consultant here today. And today I'm going to discuss with you one of the 3 books that I have, which I'm going to be talking about for the next couple of days. So today I'm going to first of all introduce the 3 books that I will be talking about for the next couple of episodes. So let's start it off. Bam! Fox and a Crow. This is one of our top selling books on our Amazon store as well as on our own personal store and our TikTok store. And so that's number 1. Number 2, Hamid Has a Tummy Ache. This is a pretty bigger book than your average children book because the fact that it has a lot more activities, talks about the environment. Great book, okay? Finally, the reason why we started Somali for Kids in the first place, okay? To learn Somali. This is a great book, actually, especially when you're talking about if you're trying to teach your children shapes, colors, things that even I myself growing up didn't get to learn. So basically, if you want to start off early, use this book. But now, let us discuss what we're going to talk about today. Out of the 3 books, I've chosen, what I'm going to choose? The Fox and the Crow. Da'awa iyo tuke in Somali. I know there's some areas in Somali regions where they say da'awa a different way, but I will leave that for a different day. Alright, so let us start this journey. Okay.